If you like chains, bracelets, watches, rings, but don't want to spend a fortune, then this video and Temu might just be for you. What's up, YB Works fam? It's your boy Bly back here at YB Works again. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's video, we're going to share a little bit of a Temu item that I ordered. This is my first item that I ordered off of Temu. And this could be a great Valentine's Day gift or Christmas gift or whatever for a loved one, or even a cheap way to do jewelry for yourself. So let me bring you over here and show you guys what the package looks like and what we got today. Here's the package. Link will be in the description for a $100 coupon bundle, as well as 30% off for new app users. If you already use it, you can use the link below as well, and I believe it'll give you other coupon bundles that you can use to get you a discount on some of these items. Also, look in the description below for our affiliate link. If you guys want to do this yourself, if you're a creator yourself on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, of course, then you guys can hit my affiliate link below and join, and we both can make a little bit of something, as well as some free items and stuff. So here we go. Here's the package. This today is a 30-inch long stainless steel Cuban link chain, as well as a bracelet. I believe the bracelet is 8 inches long as well. So let's this is what the package looks like. I'm not going to show you the other side. It shows my address and everything, but this is what the package looks like. I've already cut it open, so let's dig inside and see what this looks like. One of the benefits of using stainless steel is that it's still hypoallergenic. It still should not ooh, look at that, guys. But it still should not break you out or turn your skin green or anything like that. So stainless is a good option. Temu also does sell sterling silver as well for pretty cheap. So I will show you a chain of that I got for Christmas as well in just a minute. But right here is our stainless steel 30-inch chain, as well as our bracelet in here. So let's pull this out. Which one we got? Looks like we got the chain first. So let's see. Oh yeah, that looks well made. Look at that, guys. See, focus. There we go. And I will, of course, show you me wearing this in just a second. Yeah, pretty good quality, it looks like. This is definitely not brass. It's a little too heavy, I believe, for brass. Doesn't have any markings that shows that it's stainless, but from what I can tell, it is definitely stainless. Very cold. This is the clasp. This is the only thing that's cheap made, but this thing was a little over $5 for the set. So you guys make judge for yourself whether that's worth it. But that's about the only cheap made thing on it, looks like. Looks like the rest of the chain looks pretty darn good. So let's check out the bracelet real quick. Oh yeah. All right. So, and once again, no markings on it or anything, but the only thing that looks a little cheaper made is the clasps. You just got your little ring clasps here. Yep. That's it. But let me show you guys my silver one that I got for Christmas, and it is actually real silver. So this is the silver chain that I got for Christmas. You guys can see that is definitely good looking. And on this one, once again, the clasp is kind of cheap made. clasp is kind of cheap made, but this one has the 925 stamping. And from the other jewelry reviews, I could tell that I saw on YouTube, as long as you see that 925 stamping on there, then you have pretty much like a 99% chance that it's real silver. So, you know, do what you may with that information. But let me show you guys, let me flip the camera back around and everything and show you guys me wearing this chain. All right, so back up a little bit. Right? You guys can see there is the bracelet. Hopefully you guys that's focusing good. You can see that. If not, I'll cut that out. But yeah, so the bracelet rocks pretty good. Nice Cuban link, nice spacing, looks good. The chain now. Let's throw this thing up. There's the clasp. Throw that in the back. So once again, that's the only thing that I worry about. But it seems to be pretty strong. It's not just snapping or anything. So, you know. There's the sterling silver. There is the stainless set. So I think this stainless set looks pretty good. You guys let me know. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this stainless chain. Once again, this I believe is was $5.50. I will post the price on the screen right here. And for $5.50, this looks pretty good. I ain't not gonna lie. And this is worth rocking for that to me. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what you guys think about the Temu jewelry. And let me know if there's any other Temu jewelry or Temu items that you guys want to see me try out for videos. Check out the link below for 100% off coupon bundle and 30% off of a total purchase for new app users. And make sure you guys hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe down below to get more videos like this. Usually we do car content. And also make sure you hit the notification bell so you do not miss a drop. It's been your boy Bly, YB Works, and we out.